Today, we're catching up on Joanna Arnow and James Keppel, whose relationship was candidly documented in Arnow's introspective film I Hate Myself. So, after making a movie about their personal struggles, where are they now? Let's find out. Joanna Arnow is a filmmaker, actor, and writer known for her honest, self-reflective work. Her documentary, I Hate Myself, 2013, intimately explored her relationship with James Keppel, a provocative poet and open mic performer. The film dives deep into the emotional tension, sexual dynamics, and power struggles between them. Their romance was complicated. Arnow filmed Keppel's weekly open mic performances and captured raw, sometimes painful conversations between them, providing a brutally honest look at a relationship in flux. Joanna Arnow now. As of now, Joanna Arnow is actively working in film. She wrote, directed, and starred in her narrative feature The Feeling That the Time for Doing Something Has Passed, which premiered at Cannes and will release in the U.S. in 2024. Arnow is now professionally represented by Fusion Entertainment and continues to build her career as a multi-hyphenate filmmaker, actress, and storyteller. James Keppel now. James Keppel, once Arnow's on and off partner and poetic subject, remains less publicly visible. After their relationship was documented in I Hate Myself, he hasn't made major headlines, and there's limited public information about his current projects or personal life. In interviews, Arnow has reflected on their past dynamic, suggesting that much of Keppel's charisma and provocateur identity informed her early work, but she hasn't indicated that they've reunited or collaborated recently in a high-profile way. Joanna Arnow and James Keppel's story was once laid bare on film, and while Joanna's career has clearly grown, Keppel has receded from the public eye. Their shared history remains a powerful testament to how art can document life's messiest, most vulnerable moments. Thanks for watching the channel. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.